The Poco M7 Pro 5G is a budget-friendly smartphone that combines affordability with a host of impressive features, making it a standout choice in its price range. It is equipped with a 6.67-inch AMOLED display, offering a 120Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming, and an exceptional peak brightness of 2100 nits, ensuring vibrant and clear visuals even under direct sunlight. This makes it an excellent device for media consumption, gaming, and productivity tasks. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra chipset, the Poco M7 Pro 5G handles multitasking and moderate gaming effortlessly, providing a smooth and efficient user experience. The camera setup on the device further enhances its appeal. Its 50MP primary camera features optical image stabilization, OIS, and an impressive f/1.5 aperture, allowing users to capture sharp, detailed images even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're photographing in low light or capturing vivid landscapes, the results are remarkable for a device in this segment. The 20MP front camera ensures selfies are crisp and video calls are clear, adding value to its versatile imaging capabilities. On the software side, the Poco M7 Pro 5G runs on Android 14-based HyperOS, offering an intuitive and fluid user interface. With promises of 2 major operating system updates and 4 years of security patches, the phone ensures a secure and up-to-date experience, adding long-term value to the purchase. The device is backed by a robust 5110 mAh battery, which supports 45W fast charging, ensuring you can power through your day without frequent charging interruptions and get back to full capacity in minimal time. The Poco M7 Pro 5G is designed to cater to a wide range of users, from tech enthusiasts to everyday smartphone users. Despite its high-end features, the device is priced competitively, making it accessible to those looking for a premium smartphone experience without breaking the bank. Its thoughtful combination of performance, design, and affordability sets it apart in a crowded market, solidifying its position as an excellent choice in the mid-range segment.